yes.
Yes. Alright, here we go. This is it.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's up? How y'all doing?
So I'm Shania and
I'm Hadassa.
we are going to be collabing with you guys. Well, not with you guys. We're going to be collaborating with each other to bring you guys some new content and some new material. But before we get into it, just wanted to give you a little bit of information about our fashion background.
So my name's Hadassa. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. I'm 23 years old. I started fashion since high school. And I started my own brand about 5 years ago. And and I go to FIT.
Nice. Like, yeah, you know, a little something.
Yeah, a little something.
I learned how to sew from one of my older aunts, and from there I just always kind of loved the idea of being able to create stuff and not having to pay a lot of money for it, and just being able to like customize things using your own speed, your own fabric, your own everything around you.
So we're working on a collaboration mini-series, I guess we already explained that, where we're just going to be doing projects or working on challenges or something together, and we kind of wanted to have you guys come along the journey. So let's see how this goes.
Yeah. So we're just going to have about maybe 5 episodes for now of different kind of content and different ideas. And actually, speaking of ideas, in this beautiful fedora, we have a bunch of different ideas that we came up with, and both Hadassa and I were going to be just pulling from the hat so that we can just figure out what to make for you guys. Okay, close your eyes.
Okay. Give me a good one. Give me a good one. I was about to hit the jackpot.
She said the jackpot.
Alright, here we go. This is it.
Eee.
Neon turtleneck.
Ooh, okay.
I already love neon, so.
Yes.
As you can see.
So neon turtleneck, that actually is more on the, it's spring, summer, but it's also autumn, winter. I guess the idea is that in the winter, the fall, winter, people are going to be layering neon turtlenecks underneath their clothes. So like they'll wear like a V-neck kind of shirt or whatever, and then have like neon underneath it. So
yeah, that's like the
cool.
new basic. Like the new basic staple piece. Alright, you ready? It's your turn.
Okay, I hope I get something.
Shuffle them up, shuffle them up.
Ooh, yes!
Yes, we got
Same
a good one.
fabric,
I like
different style. I put different time. Same fabric, different style.
She said, look, we just gonna go over it. So basically, same fabric, different style. So we're challenging ourselves to buy the same fabrication, and we're gonna switch it up. Either make our own separate product or our own, like, we're just gonna make our own rendition of the fabric and see, like, alright, who jazzed it up? Like,
Hey.
you know, who did it? Put a little je ne sais quoi on it.
Yes.
I'm excited for this project. See who's gonna come up with some heat. With some heat.
Yes.
And let's see how this goes.
Definitely feel free to leave some comments. Let us know what kind of ideas you have for how we can collaborate with each other. Subscribe to Hadassa's channel. She's got some Shania. She's got no worries, everybody.
Shania. I don't know, the I makes it sound like Shania, but
I feel like
people
want to say Shania, but then they overthink it and they're like, okay, it's Shania.
Yeah.
That's what happens, right? But yeah, so definitely subscribe to Hadassa's channel. She's got some awesome content up there.
Shania Mason.
Hey, follow us, follow both of us, and just, you know, stay tuned and stick around for what we have for you. Ciao.